Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful sunny day here in my little cottage garden. As you can see, finished cutting the hedge. I bought some petrol hedge trimmers and they've done a really good job. Look at that beautiful sky. Wow. Foxglove's doing really well. But back to what I'm here to make a video about. These little beauties. These are Cafe au lait dahlia cuttings. I put them outside a couple of weeks ago, and as you can see, slugs and snails, puppy dogtails, had a beano. But we're just going to empty them and see if there's any roots at the bottom. Hopefully there will be. Fingers crossed. Let's have a look at this one first, shall we? Get that there so I'm not wasting any compost. Well, hey, that looks good to me. Beautiful root system. Yeah, really nice. So what I'll do with that is just pop it back in here first for a second. I've already got some compost made up. This is a peat based compost. I'm looking to go peat free, so if anybody's using any decent peat free compost at the moment, if it's a decent price, please message me and I will get back to you. I really appreciate it. So, in like so, you want to plant it at the same level it was in the 9cm pot. I could plant these straight into the garden, but I want to give them a really good feed and get them really bulked up first. Yeah, that's one done. Let's just have a quick look at the other two, shall we? I'll use my head this time. Plant these up first. Hope everybody's enjoying themselves. It's been really nice this last week or so here in the UK. Here in South Yorkshire, it's been really nice. 20, 28 degrees some days. But yeah, these have rooted really well. I've not really treated them very well. They've dried out a few times. But hopefully, even though the leaves have been massacred, there we go, some nice roots there. Get that down there like so. I will feed these twice a week now. Probably Miracle Grow and a mixture of Tomorite, which is a really good plant food. Just the last one there. Just get this one done. Yeah, what I'll do with these as well, I will probably take cuttings from the cuttings. Right, well, that one is not as good as the others, but it still has some root formation and it has some new shoots coming, so hopefully, a bit of green flight there, hopefully it will bounce back once I get it out of the way of the slugs and snails. So yeah, once that's done like so, you want to tidy yourself up. Then one side, and then all I do is give them a really good water, a really good soak until it's running out the bottom. This gets rid of any air bubbles. And what I'll do with these, I'll keep making sure they don't dry out. As soon as I'll feed them today later on. As soon as I start feeding them, these will shoot up. Now they've got a root system to go. Yeah, if you've got any questions on how to take cuttings, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching. Please keep safe. Bye.